For this look, she already has a little bit of texture in her hair and I totally dig it. It's like super effortless and undone. I'm actually gonna add a few hair accessories into this look. I like to call it like a chill twist because it's really undone. It looks like you just spent 2 seconds throwing your hair up. And to be honest, it does take like 2 seconds. What I'm gonna do is just grab all of her hair in the back, kind of low, leave these pieces out, twisting clockwise, and just pull the twist apart a little bit. This is just gonna give it a little bit more of like that undone vibe. And once you're done twisting, flip it up. So I have about 6 of these and I am just gonna use them as like I would a bobby pin. You want people to see that detail. Let's add in one more for extra security. So there you go. It looks so epic from the back. And then with these front pieces that are all hanging down, we're gonna add a little bit of pomade, whatever kind of pomade that you like. I like this one personally because it's not so sticky. Works really good for the front pieces. I'm just grabbing these and just molding them. If it's hot and you like tend to glisten a little bit, it's not gonna change the vibe of your hair. There's just something about the texture of the pomade that makes it look more epic. It really changes up your vibe. This is like cooler than wearing your hair down. These are so great to have. Gives it very much of that like runway look. Let's just fuzz it up and you're good to go. Really chill on the front, but then when you turn around and you just have that added detail, I think it really adds to it and it doesn't look like you tried too hard. A lot of my model clients like Kendall Jenner or Emily Ratajkowski would totally dig this vibe. I think this is very Gigi as well because it's so undone, but it's so interesting that you're gonna feel confident and you're not gonna be hot. Basically, model off duty. What's up?
First up,
yes, so good. Let's do it.